student will develop a personal action plan that outlines specific steps they can take to support victims of cyberbullying. This can include how to approach a victim, report bullying, and promote kindness online. Understand the role of a supporter, define supportive actions, explain how showing support can help a victim feel seen and valued, and how bystanders can actively combat cyberbullying by speaking up and promoting kindness. Discuss the importance of empathy, emphasize empathy and understanding, encouraging students to think about how their actions can make a difference for someone experiencing cyberbullying. Brainstorm support strategies. List potential actions. Have students brainstorm specific actions they can take to support victims. Examples may include approaching the victim, reach out to the victim privately to offer support and show that they're not alone, reporting the incident, use reporting tools on social media platforms to flag bullying behavior or notify a trusted adult or authority, promoting positive behavior, model positive behavior by posting encouraging comments and refraining from engaging with negative content, identify personal strengths, encourage students to think about their own strengths. Example communication skills, empathy, leadership, and how they can use these in their plan. Outline specific steps in the action plan, organize steps by situation, break down actions into different scenarios, such as when witnessing cyberbullying, steps to follow if they see someone being bullied online. Example, report the incident, offer words of support, refrain from engaging in or amplifying negative content. Approaching the victim, how to respectfully and privately check in on the victim, express support, and listen if they want to share their feelings, promoting a kind online culture. Actions they can take daily, such as posting positive comments, sharing encouraging messages, and avoiding gossip or rumors. Make actions specific and doable. Ensure each step is realistic. Like, I will message a friend who I see being bullied with words of encouragement, or I will report harmful comments within 24 hours of seeing them. Write the action plan, create a clear format, organize the plan in a clear and easy to follow format, such as goal, a brief statement of the student's overall goal, example, to support victims of cyberbullying and promote a positive online community. Action steps, a list of specific actions under each scenario, witnessing bullying, approaching the victim, promoting kindness. Commitment statement, a short pledge at the end, such as I commit to supporting others and promoting kindness online. Review and reflect on the action plan. Reflect on the plan's impact. Ask students to consider how each step in their plan could help a victim or create a positive online space. Peer feedback. If comfortable, students can exchange plans with a peer to give feedback or offer additional ideas. Finalize and make a personal commitment. Personalize the plan. Students can personalize their action plan with their name or even sign it as a symbol of commitment. Share. Encourage students to share their action plans with trusted friends or family members to reinforce accountability.